Hi friends, I'm back with one more very interesting video. So looking at this slide, this is basically for Feb 9th expiry. Okay, I've deployed the an Ironfly for Feb 9th expiry, which I've converted as a base trade to do the contra. Maybe technically it sounds too complicated, but I'll try to show you each and everything. Okay, so basically this is like February 9th expiry Ironfly, right, as a base trade for my contra. All right guys, so now I'll exit this. I'll take you to my this thing, paid telegram. So this is my, right, this is my paid telegram batch. So basically whoever has nominated for it, so we will be having a private channel. Basically this is a private channel. So if you look at this date, okay, I'll just let me over on Friday 3rd, at 10:55 I've just deployed this trade. And guys, this is not the real trade, boys. This is not the real trade. See, if you look at the text, I said, for my batch members, I said, guys, I'm just deploying a virtual Ironfly for you all, and I'll do my best in terms of showing you all the fly adjustments, because I've already traded into multiple trades, so I cannot manage each and everything, right? So this, I've just deployed it for practice, but you guys will enjoy the logic, right? Just try to understand the logic. Okay, so at Friday at almost like 10:53, I've deployed this Ironfly, guys. Simple, right? If you look at the Ironfly, at 41,000 is my sole position. So 41,000, right? Ironfly, basically this is two sole positions, and we have the buy position, and we got 438 and 457. Ideally not good in terms of premium, but still it's okay. That's what I might have mentioned somewhere here. See, I said ideally not the best market for Ironfly, as the premiums are low, but let's see how it goes. This time, let's use the reverse buying with other adjustments. Last time, right, we came up with almost like 10% in the Ironfly on the capital deployed, guys, on the capital deployed, right? Adjustments like naked. So what I've done is, like, this was my original Ironfly. This was my original Ironfly. So I said low premiums. I got only 438, 457, and then if you look at this thing, same on Friday, if I over my mouse, right, Friday at 1:32, guys, Friday at 1:32, we have deployed the trade on the same day, Friday at 10:30, right? If I'm not wrong, let me again show you. This is important. At 10:50, maybe I might have shown you the trade at 10:50, so maybe we might have deployed the trade at 10:50 on Friday. And if you look at this thing, I said, one second, guys. I said, yeah. So at Friday on the same day at 1:32, check this. Ironfly with green now. Okay, if you want to reduce, what did I say? Ironfly with green now. If you want to reduce the max loss, yeah. See, what I wanted to say is, if you look at the original Ironfly, again, let me take you back, guys. If you look at the original Ironfly, you have a loss of close to 9,000, and 16,000 is the profit. All right, guys. So today the deployment date was Friday. What I'm trying to convey here, I might have written it wrong. What I'm trying to convey here is, right, if you want to reduce the max loss, if you want to reduce the max loss considering the weekend, then you can do the reverse buying. What did I say? Is like, yes, at 1:32 market was sideways. You look at this market, we have deployed, market was just sideways. So that was almost giving us like 350 rupees profit somewhere here. Okay, what did I say? Is like, next we have the weekend. Okay, our loss was, originally loss was, let me again show you, right? Our original loss was, sorry guys, sorry guys. See, our original loss was 9,000. So what I've done basically is nothing, guys. What I've done is, like, I've just done the reverse buying. This is very important for you to understand. Same on Friday, right? So now my loss from 9,000 got reduced to 4,400, because whenever we deploy the Ironfly, basically we, see, when I say we, I basically prefer reducing my loss rather than looking at the profit. So what I've done is like, just look, this is my original Ironfly, guys. This is my original Ironfly. What I've done is, like, I'm just exiting this 40,000 PE, and then I'm doing a roll up of 40,300. I'll explain you each and everything. And then I'm exiting my 42,000 CE, rolling down by, see, 42,000 CE sold, and then rolling down by almost like 41,007. That is like 300. Got it? So now check check this. I've clearly told, right? I'm just doing a 300 points roll up and roll down by just giving 60 rupees debit. This is very important for you to understand. People do the reverse buying just for the formality of doing. So what I'm doing is, like, almost for 100 points, I'm just paying 20 rupees debit. right? Because I've done the roll up by 300 points and roll down by 300 points, I was able to mitigate my loss of 9,000 to 4,000 change by just giving a premium of 860 rupees for 300 points shift. That's it, right? You pause the video, you try to understand. Now, to make your job, what I'll do is, like, I've deployed the Ironfly. This is my original Ironfly. I've not done any adjustment. I'm back to Obstra. If I would have not done the adjustments, my Ironfly would have been at a loss of 45, right? Now what I will do, I'll take it to this. Okay, I'm just trying to show you what adjustments I've done. So now I'm booking, right? I'm booking 40,000 with 155, guys. Okay, let me go and see. I'll just try to book this. Am I doing it right? Okay, I'm booking 40,000 with 152. Okay, 152.2, right? That's it. I'm just trying to roll up, right? So if I want to do the roll up, I have to book this. Okay, and then I have to roll up. So I bought 40,300. All right, let me go here. 40,300. I'm just trying to roll up, guys, at a cost of 214. Okay, this is CPE. Okay, I'm not doing any rocket science. 214 dot, that's it, right? 214. Okay, I just did the roll up. All right, 214. I'll buy this. That's it. Now let me see my Ironfly. Like, the moment I've done this, check your loss. Your loss from 9,000, ideally it was 9,000, your loss has come down to 2,954. But your loss has increased here from 8,000 change, 8,000, 9,000, it has increased. So now we have to do the roll down also. So what we have done, I've also exited 42,000 for 77.7. 4077.7. Simple. I'm just exiting this leg, and then what am I trying to do? I'm just trying to roll down to 41,700. 41,700. You guys, I mean, this is not the end, guys. I'll show you how we can make this trade the base trade. I bought it for 139.05. 139.05. All right, I bought it. Now check the beauty. Your loss has come to 4,488, 4,488 compared to your original loss of 9,000. Got it? So with one reverse buying, we were able to reduce the loss because we add Friday, we add weekend. We doesn't know, right? We never know what will happen in the weekend, right? It can have a circuit of 2% downside, 2% upside. So I'm just trying to reduce the loss. Okay. Now let me take you back to this thing. So this is what we have discussed. It's the same thing. You read, guys. You read this. Pause the video and read. If I read, it will, the video length will become lengthy. I'm doing the 300 points RB on both the sides by giving just 60 debit for 300 points. So technically 20 debit for 100 points. Try to understand the reverse buying. If you want to know more about my reverse buying, you go back to my YouTube video, search for reverse buying or search for Ironfly end-to-end series. You'll get to know. And then what did I do? Ironfly, either we can see now, this is today, guys, right? Now today is what? Monday, February 6th at 9:25. This is very crucial. What did I say? I said my Ironfly, either we can go for broken wing fly, or we can sell some. See, I said, right, my trade is, the moment the market opened, the trade was showing 828 loss. Okay, because there was a gap up. I'll show you the price action also. Market was standing at my break even. Now everyone would have done the adjustment by doing the reverse buying, that this selling, because they do not even know the view. So what I said is, like, what I said here is, right, see, Ironfly, either we can go for the broken wing fly or sell from opposite side. We can sell it from opposite side. We can deploy a broken wing fly or sell from the testing side also. I've made so many videos. I can sell from testing side also by looking at a critical resistance. All depends on the view of the market. Here comes the magic of the view. So what I've done is, like, guys, what I've done is, like, let me show you the view of the market. So today Nifty, see, if I plot the 15 minutes chart, right, this is how I trade, guys. Basically, everyone has to trade, right? You need to have the view of the market. If you look at this thing, when Bank Nifty opened a gap up, this is 20. Where is that? Let me tell you, guys. Right, 26. Right, at 10:15, Bank Nifty was standing somewhere here. So don't you think this will act as a critical resistance? Resistance. It acted as multi-level resistance, support, support, support. So what there is a saying, right? Every support when gets breached, that will act as a resistance. Okay, now I thought maybe this would act as a resistance, so I did not do the broken wing fly. We go for broken wing fly. Yes, I could have done the broken wing fly, but the moment we deploy the broken wing fly, if the market gives a U-turn unnecessary, will we get into problems. So what I thought is like, market was standing here, it might resist, right? It might, I said it might. So I'll get a golden opportunity for me to do the reverse buying on the put side. Guys, try to understand, market was standing here, right? Then rather than me doing the broken wing fly, what I thought is like, maybe this is getting respected, right? Slowly market was coming down, I thought maybe this is a good opportunity for me to do the reverse buying on the put side. Did I mention that in my channel somewhere? Okay, yeah, Ironfly. Yeah, now the PE side is lossless. See, the reason why I've told, let me booked around 6%. This is other trade. Yeah, so today at 10:39, right? Simple, guys. I said now the PE side is lossless. Now this is, see. 1 second, guys. Did I show you that? Somewhere I might have shown you. Yeah. Okay, this one. Okay, see, check this thing. What I'm planning to do is like, this is what I'm planning to do. So I'm planning to square off 40,300 and roll up to 40,500 by just giving 20 points. That's it. By just giving 20 debit point, right? What I'm trying to do is like, I'm just trying to roll up the, do the reverse buying on the, because market is standing here, guys. Market is standing here. I know there is a strong resistance. Market can take a U-turn. Market can take a bounce back. So in that case, don't you think I'm getting the premium? See, for 100 points, this is 100 points. For 200 points, I'm just giving, ideally this is 200 points, guys. For this is 200 points. See, I'm exiting 40,300 and rolling up by 40,500. So the moment I do this, by just giving 20 rupees of debits, I made my loss on the PE side zero. Initially it was like 4,800, but this 20 points debit will get added to your call side, right? That I'll manage other day. But now at least I'm able to make my trade green on the put side, for the simple reason being about, for the simple reason being, this is my price action, right? If the market comes up, now if the market goes up, right, I will do other adjustments. I'll keep you posted. The market was coming down, so I did the reverse buying. The reason why I've done the reverse buying, you all know, right? Why I've done the reverse buying is like, okay, this is fine. By giving just 20 rupees debit for a movement of 200 points, this is not 100, 200. So just imagine, guys, you are reducing the loss of, see, you have to understand, I know majority of the people doesn't know, 1 second, doesn't know what is the logic of reverse buying, right? See, 200 into 25 is the bank lot size. So you are reducing 5,000 of loss by just giving this 20 rupees debit. 20 into 25 is a lot size. So this 500 would add up to your previous loss of 4,000 something, right? That's it. By just giving this 500 rupees debit, you were able to mitigate the loss of almost 4,800. Did you get that? Sorry for being very slow. Sorry for reiterating multiple times, because I know majority of my followers are like very new, or maybe they do not know the actual context of the broken wing fly, about the reverse buying. Okay, now what I'll do. Okay, now what I'll do. Okay, see, I'll take you back to Obstra. Okay, this was my trade. So now what am I trying to do? I'm trying to just book 40,300, guys, right? So 40,300, right? Because market was standing here, I'm just trying to book that for 87 rupees. Let me show you. 87, modify. Okay, now I'll buy back 40,500, meaning I'm rolling up. Okay, 40,500. I know I'm very slow, but guys, this is the way you have to learn, right? If I can make 5 minutes videos also, but all depends whether you're able to understand or not, right? This I bought for 107.85. 107.85 I bought back this. Let me see whether I've done it right. That's it, guys. So now your loss is almost zero, and you have a loss of 5,000. We never knew if market becomes sideways. If that's what I said. I'll show you. If market becomes sideways, you will have the potential of getting up to 19% of the profit. Even if you have down circuit of 10%, that's what happened on the downside. zero loss. But if it expires between this green zone, you have the potential of 19% profit. Right now, I'll go back to this slide. Right, what do I mean by this slide? Okay, I've shown you the February 9th expiry Ironfly. Now how will this act as a base trade for my contra? So now what I'll do, guys, this is very important to understand. This is my base trade now. Right, overall, let me show you my real trade. I mean, in the sense, like, let me show you my sensible also, wherein I've deployed this trade. Okay, where is that? Yeah. Now overall we are at a 153 loss. That's it. We are at a 153 loss. So we have another like 3 to 4 days, right? We have the potential of getting 18% profit. But what if market goes up? You have the loss of 5,000 for 5,000. Now what? Let me again take you back to my this thing. Okay, what did I say? Did I mention somewhere here? Yeah. One second, guys. That's it. See, you read this. Ironfly. Now the P side loss is zero. Okay. Now this is called the base trade. This is what we do. This is level two adjustments, guys. If someone wants to join my paid mentorship program, all the details are there in the below description of the YouTube. You'll get to know how to do the contract trade. This is how I do the contract trade. Within one day, I made my loss on the P side zero. Now read this. Ironfly status. Now the P side is lossless. Now this is called the base trade. This is called the base trade, right? For you to deploy the contra. Plan to deploy the contra trade now to mitigate the loss of this 5K, right? If Bank Nifty goes up and you, if Bank Nifty goes up, your contra will give you profit. The contra can be in the form of many, it can be one more trade in Bank Nifty. That would be like your sort of ratio spread, call ratio spread, it could be debit spread, it could be butterfly, it could be swing trading. Just go and buy the swing trading in the equity, just in case. If you're buying SDFC, Kotak, ICSI, if Bank Nifty goes up, ideally your SDFC also will go up, right? So you'll be able to mitigate this loss. Now you have to think, guys, I'm just giving you a template. Now you have to think whether I should go for 1 lakh, whether I should go for one only for SDFC swing, or ICSA, combination of all, or else it can be USD INR. You think it, right? You think it, you'll get it, right? USD INR is end of the day the currency between India and US, right? So if USD INR goes down, currency will fall. If currency of if Indian currency goes up, USD will fall. This is one of the contra. Or else you can deploy a debit spread. You call debit spread in Bank Nifty index or SDFC Bank, Axis Bank. So these all things we learn in the in my paid mentorship program, guys. Now this is what, but still, right? Even if I do not have the contra trades, I can still manage. Even what will happen, guys? Let me show you, right? Let me. What if market keeps going up? Then I'll try to sell from the put side, right? I'll just try to sell it from the put side. I can deploy a call ratio spread in the Bank Nifty. Even if you do not want to go for the contra trades, there are like n number of adjustments what we discuss day in day out, right? I've just given you the template. Now this is at the cost to cost with a potential of almost like 18%. Now you have to think how to mitigate this loss of 5,000. If you're able to mitigate this loss of 5,000 by the contract rates, you are done. You're not going to give any penny to the market. Either you'll come up with cost to cost or with a very minimal loss, or else the probability of getting into profit is huge with this contra. That's what I call, I start this trade as an independent trade, guys. I've started this with an independent trade. I've done the adjustments within one day. I made the trade the base trade. Now I'll keep deploying the contra trades, right? I've made it very simple, guys. I've made it very simple. If you feel like this is very complicated, you have to watch one or two times, understand the context, understand the logic. Don't try to do comparison more, saying that what if market goes there, what if market, every all your answer is this with the brace trade. What if, I'll tell you, right? What if market expires here, right? You will get with 18%. What, you have profit on the left side. Right, on the left side you have profit, right? Even if it makes a circuit, you still end up with zero loss. On the right side, now you have to think about the contra. All right, guys, so I think, guys, you might have understood the video. So thank you for watching my video. And also just go through my description, you have all the details. If you're interested to learn something non-traditional way of trading, please go and register for my mentorship. So we do basically the contra trade between what between your index and swing trading. All right, thank you.